going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to remove carpet yourself. By doing so, you're going to save money because part of the cost involved when replacing your flooring is removing your old carpet. So today I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to do. Let's do this. Alright guys, so this is the carpet that's been removed. It's pretty old, worn out. It's going to be replaced tomorrow. We've got 3 bedrooms to remove. So we've got first bedroom here, hallway, another bedroom on this side, and then one at the back of the house. So regardless of where you're removing the carpet from, it's going to be the exact same process. Whether it's on a concrete slab or it's on timber flooring, the process is going to be exactly the same. If it's timber flooring, just be a little bit more mindful when putting your utility knife down against the carpet, not to go down too far so that you don't damage the flooring underneath. The other thing is the only tool that we're going to need is basically a utility knife. So just that's little blade, that's all we're going to need to complete this job. Very simple, straightforward. Just keep it to a manageable size so that you can roll it up and take it out yourself. Let's get straight into it and I'll show you guys just how easy it is to do. So this room here is probably about 3.5 meters long. What I'm going to do is just basically cut it straight down the middle, starting at one end. Put your knife down. Find the little split, and then you can run the knife all the way down. It cuts very, very easy, nice, simple. What you want to do is come back up to one side. I think I might need to cut this one here a little bit more on one end. And as you've seen, the carpet basically just pops straight off. So you just want to start on one angle. It's got little tacks, which I'll show you guys in a second. So once your carpet's been cut, we can lift up one side and you can see it's got little nail tacks on the end here. That's what holds your carpet in place. So all you want to do at this point is just basically hold on, nice and tight, and start to pull it all the way around. You can see it comes off pretty easy. Work it all the way around. A little bit hard to do with one hand. And now we've got that whole piece ready to go. Now we can simply just roll this section here up. Get it as tight as possible. And now the main bit of the carpet is ready to be taken outside. So now we can remove the underlay. Once again, roll that one there up. The reason why I don't remove the carpet and underlay at the same time is depending on the surface that you've got your carpet on, it might be glued down, it might be stapled down. So what I like to do is just separate them so that I can see exactly what's going on. Need to cut a little bit further into this underlay. You can see just how bad this underlay is, completely falling apart. It's deteriorated. By the looks of it, it's had water underneath as well. And it's that simple, guys. So depending on the flooring that you're getting reinstalled, you might need to remove the tacks on the outside for your carpet. But if you're getting it replaced with carpet, leave them where they are. You might even be able to save a few dollars by leaving your tacks in place. That way they won't have to come in and install some new ones. If you are laying down some tiles or some timber flooring, meaning the floating floorboards, then you might want to remove these, and they're very easy and straightforward to do as well. If you guys want to see a video on that, let me know, guys, but hopefully this video has helped you guys out and saved you just a little bit of money. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.